So here I have a Polaris 50, and this needs a new ignition. The reason is because my kid has broken off the key inside the ignition. So at least it's always switched to on, which is a good thing because I've got power right now to be able to start it. So that's a good thing. So the ignition is on, but I really do want to turn that off because I don't know if it takes power from the battery when it's on, but also just be able to take the key out of it. So here's the new ignition, and these are really simple to switch out. All you're gonna do is take off this right here. These ignitions just plug in, and they just feed right into this console. So all you're gonna do on this one is take out these two screws here. Once we take out the second screw, I'll show you what it looks like. All you're gonna do is flip this over. That just attaches right there. This goes down to right here, and you just unplug this old one and plug in the new one. As you can see, you got the same plug right here. Comes with two keys. You can pull that out. That's what the ignition part says without a key in. Okay, ignition on and off. These are the keys. They're a little bit bigger than the Polaris keys, but they will be fine and work. And also has this lock mechanism. Once you get that in there, you slide that through and it locks in. Okay, let's put it on and check it out. Okay, once you unplug it down there, you'll just pull this out of here and you're ready to just put in the new one. And there, you'll just slide that key through there and you can rotate it for where you want it up top. You just rotate that around, that locks that in there. And then we'll just feed this through here, and then we'll just plug it in right here. There we go. And you are done, except for it's just putting these two screws back in right here. Okay, we're all set up. This blue here is just a plastic film that's on there. Okay, let's try it. Yep, it's off. Let's put a key in. Yep, it's off, and turn it. There we go, and boom. And we are ready to go. So there's a new ignition. Just turn it off. And there you go. This ignition works great. Perfect for this Polaris 50. So I can highly recommend, for sure, check it out.